This week we're going to highlight ongoing concern about very weak export demand for U.S. corn. We're also going to take a look at Argentina corn production as that crop takes center stage moving into December. We're also going to highlight some ongoing weakness in December corn futures, reaching the lowest level since July of 2021. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the last few days in November and this corn market remains very weak. We're going to start out this week highlighting what we believe is one of the fundamental reasons behind that price weakness, and that's ongoing weak export demand. Let's take a look at the outstanding sales of U.S. corn. Well, we look at this chart, but it bears repeating here that compared to 2 years ago and 3 years ago, the absence of China from the export market is extremely pronounced. For example, 2 years ago we had 428 million bushels of unshipped sales on the books to China. This year, virtually zero. So the concern that we have as we move into these last few weeks of 2023 is that the USDA may be overstating export demand. Let's take a closer look at that. Besides Mexico, which has been a very good buyer of U.S. corn, the lack of corn sales we believe are a red flag on export demand. ATI Research has lowered its annual export forecast to 1875 with the USDA at 2075. Looked at another way, that's essentially adding 200 million bushels potentially to the U.S. corn carryout. Let's switch gears now and focus on South America where the crops are being planted. This week we're going to look at Argentina. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced in Argentina. Argentina has several key provinces here highlighted by Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. A little over 80% of the corn is produced in those provinces. Add in another 5% in Entre Rios. Let's take a look at where that corn is in terms of weather. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm weather. Now, the corn planting is about 25% done. That's the first crop corn. We'll see a break in corn planting. We have seen a break in corn planting here in November. We'll see more corn planting in December coming up. And we're looking at the last 30 days, a measure of subsoil moisture, if you will, for that corn that has been planted. Across Argentina, you can see there's those key areas we just highlighted, a shade of dryness in perhaps western parts of Buenos Aires, a little bit there in Córdoba. But generally speaking, the corn is in good condition. Why is that important? Recall that last year Argentina had a severe drought, so we're keeping a close eye on Argentina to see the potential for a rebound in production in 2024. Now let's take a look at the forecast here. Through Saturday of this week, some more rainfall moving in. So we're looking at, again, a good subsoil, if you will, profile moving into planting season. Let's look ahead to next week, December 3rd through the 11th. More of that moisture is in Brazil. But now as we focus on the last slide on weather, the next 2 weeks, you can see all that green area across Argentina. So the key message is a much different potential picture here as we look ahead to 2024, recalling that 2023 was a severe drought. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn, as we tape here on Tuesday, continues to grind lower. It's near $4.50 a bushel. Recall that the crop insurance harvest price for 2023 was all the way up there at $4.88. So again, we strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. And that's not only for any unpriced 2023 bushels, but also highlighting here that December 2024 is trading near $5.10 a bushel. So it's not too early to think about 2024 price protection. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.